Hi, my name is Darshun and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how we can install the Python and VS Code, and also we can merge the Python and VS Code and how we can run our first program. So let's start how we can install the Python and VS Code. So first we will set up how we can install the Python and VS Code. So let's start. First we will install the Python, and in the second step we will install the VS Code. In the third step we will connect Python and the VS Code both, so that we can run our first Python program on VS Code. So let us start with the first step, that is the install the Python version. So for installing the Python version, let's search the go to the browser and search the Python. So there is the first website will come, welcome to python.org. Go in the website, and this is the python.org is the website. Go in the download option, and here you can see the latest release version of the Python. Right now this is 3.14. If you are watching little bit after, then you can say the updated version of the Python. Just click and you can download. Now you can see the download option is done. Now just click on this exe file and open directly from here, and just minimize this window. And now you can see this type of window will come. Just click on this button, use admin privilege, and add Python exe to path. This both option check, and after that just keep every option checked, and it will install pip, id, le, Python test suite, py launcher, everything it will install. So just keep every box check, and just press the next button. And also in the advanced option, install Python 3.14 for all users. So click that option also, and this is the default path where the Python is going to install. Now just click, and it's automatically will start the installation part. So now it will take little time to installation in your system. So what we are doing, we are just installing Python 3.14 in our system. So same way you can install in the Mac or Linux also. So right now we are installing in the Windows only. So it's taking little time. So now you can see the Python was successfully set up. Now go in the here and write the cmd and open here, and now we will check the Python version. So for this, just type Python underscore version. So it is showing Python 3.14.0. So it's showing the Python is installed successfully. Now our next target is to install the VS Code. So let's see what we can do. Go in the browser and search VS Code. If already installed, no need to install. But for now, I'm just showing how you can install the VS Code also. Just go in the website and click here. This is the code.vscodestudio.com. And here, this is the option you can see, download for Windows. I'm just showing download for Windows. You can download for Mac OS also. So if you will click here, then you can see the download option. So downloading is already done, is starting done, and it's now done. And just click here also. You can start with the just right click here and open directly. And after opening, it will minimize this file. And now this pop-up message will come, and accept the agreement, and press the next button. Now this is the default path. You can change your path also. This is going in the C drive inside this folder user. So just press the next option, just click next option. And if you want to desktop icon, then just click create a desktop icon and just press the next button. This is the ready to install package. Just click here, and it's automatically install the VS Code in your system. So now VS Code is ready to install in your system. So it's take little time. So wait for a little while, and the VS Code is automatically will install. If already installed, then no need to install again. So now the VS Code is also finished. So just launch, it automatically will launch. That's why the right click you can see here. So VS Code icon is there. So we already check it. So just finish here. Now VS Code is launch. So if you want to run the Python program, then what you need to do in the VS Code. So first go into the extension. This is the left side. Go into the extension and search here. We will search manually. So we have to search the Python. So here search the Python. So we are searching the Python. Now there are so many options will come. You have to press is the installation part, verify by the Microsoft, and just press the install button. So just press the install button, and you can see it's verified by the Microsoft.com. So just directly from here, just install the Python extension in your VS Code. If already installed, no need to install. You will see the uninstall option if already installed. So after installing, you can see the uninstall option. It means the Python is launcher is that extension is successfully installed. Now you have to install the code runner also. So just click on the code runner option and also install this code runner option is also you have to install. So see here you can run the Python also. So just press install and it's automatically will install. So it's not take that much time. Now what we need to do, first we will create the folder in our desktop and after that we will see how to run the program. So now the Python is done and VS Code is done. Now we will see how we can set up. Now let's see how we can run the Python. So for running the Python, first create the folder in the desktop. Why we are creating the folder? So that everything will be organized in the folder. So we will create every file inside this folder. So just press the right click and here you can see the new icon and just click the folder button. And here you have to give the name. You can give any of the name, but for now I'm just giving the Python. And because I'm just teaching the section wise, so I'm just taking section 1. You can take any of the name. So I'm just giving the name and just press the enter. So the desktop, in the desktop you can see the new folder is created. So the name is Python section 1. Now what you have to do, just to go in the VS Code and just press the double click. So when you press the double click, then you can see the window will look like this. And the recent option will not show in your case because you are using the first time. So go here, file option, and go here, open folder. We will open that folder, and that folder in our desktop option. So we go in the desktop and see the Python section 1 folder is now is there. So just click here and select this folder. Now inside this folder you can see we are inside this folder, Python section 1. So what we have to do, just click here and create the new file. So for now we are learning Python, so you can create any of the file, but for now I'm just creating abc.py. Py is the Python extension, that .c for C file, same like .py is for Python file. Now you can see uh, this is the your Python file. Now whatever you want to check, you can see your Python code is running. So we already know how we can print anything in Python. So use by using the print function. So inside the print function, we just typing the hello words for checking it's Python is running inside this or not. So for running, just to see this the run button option in the right side, just press here and in the terminal you can see the output. What is your output? Hello world. So whatever, let's say we want to print anything else. So let's say a equal to 3 and v equal to, let's say b equal to 5, and what we want to do, we just want to print the sum of this a plus b. We already know how the Python work. So for running the code, you just go here and run the cell. You can see the output hello world and 8. Why two output is showing? Because we already know Python is interpreted language. It's run the code one line by line. So that's why you can see the first the hello world is print, and after that a assign the value 3, b assign the value 5, and you are printing a plus b. So that's why you can see 8. We are learning Python, so in the learning phase, we will not use that .py file for learning. We will create new file, whatever name you want to give. You can choose any of the name and give the extension .py .ipynb, and this .ipynb is the Python notebook. Here you can execute your code line by line in the cell. So let me show you. So this you can see the .ipy. Just close this terminal, and if you want to clear, then here you can clear your terminal. For here, from here you can close, and now if you, and from here if you will click, then this left side window will go, and if you just press again, then the left side window will come. And if you want to check the terminal, then just press here. So you can modify anything from here, and also in this setting option you can do whatever you want. So for running the code, you can create the, just click the press plus code option. And if you want to write markdown means you want to give the heading whatever. So let me show you how you can give the heading. So I'm just writing the learn the Python. So you can give any of the heading, and just shift enter same. So you can see this become heading. For writing the code, just click the plus icon code, and now we just see how our code will look like. So print hello world. So hello world, hello, and WORLD hello world, and this is the string. Now you can see here, if you just click the shift enter, then you will see it ask you to select the environment. So just click the Python environment, and we already install our Python. So our Python version is 3.14. In your case, you will see the Python version 3.14, but right now in my case, this is a Python version 3.913 is seeing in this window. In your case, it might be 3.14. So just click here, and now your Python kernel is selected. Now you can execute your code just pressing the shift enter. Now you can see the code is running. Now if you want to do another thing, then you can just see a equal to, let's say a equal to 3, same, v equal to 4, and if you want to do the sum, then just same thing you can do, a plus b. So after shift enter, you can see the code is executed. So this is the way how you can learn, you can start the Python in your VS Code. So if you want to know how you can install the Anaconda is also the installer with come with the Jupyter Notebook, VS Code, PyCharm. So most of the IDEs come inside the Anaconda, and pre-installed library is also coming. If you want to install Anaconda, then there is a video in the channel. You can go and check that video, and that's the video for the Python and VS Code. So that's from my side. I hope this video will help you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.